Are your Adobe Shockwave Player apps crashing due to the Sw.dll Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for Sw Library, you can find a diagnostic tool for a thorough environment check. This is the Sw Library, a legacy Shockwave core module. It manages the unmanaged localized rendering of localized interactive, localized multimedia, localized content, and localized facilitates the localized hardware accelerated localized visual manifests. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. This error usually indicates a missing graphics runtime component affecting Sw Library DLL. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to repair legacy DirectX-related DLLs, and update your graphics drivers if the file depends on OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Sw Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it, or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. The risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out files like Sw Library DLL in your System32 folder. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. If configuration alerts are present, the official maintenance tool below outlines general guidance for Sw Library. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Sw Library dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.